I'm normally not somebody who would give too much thought to my light sources, because I work with monitors and screens, so I usually don't need other light sources. However, as a student, I do occasionally find myself having to work with pen and paper in a dark room with others. This is where a discrete lamp will come in handy, and when BenQ reached out to me. Introducing the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp. Will this lamp suffice my needs? First off, here's a disclosure. This product was sent out to me for review. With this being said, my thoughts on this product will not be affected by this kindly gesture. With that out of the way, let's begin. Let's begin with an unboxing. First off, let's remove the plastic wrap from this box. Then, we cut out the seal from both sides of the packaging, and finally we pull out the box beneath. We lift up the cardboard lid, and we see what I'm assuming are the warranty information pamphlets. After getting past that, we see the heavy-duty clip for the lamp itself, and the micro USB cable needed to power it. The exterior design consists primarily of aluminum, except for where the buttons are placed. That panel seems to be made of a pretty tough plastic. This is quite the elegant lamp. The clip itself is much heavier than the lamp, but it can be readjusted and it will keep your lamp from moving. First off, before I give my opinion on this product, let's begin by talking about the key features of this lamp. Firstly, there is a very nice anti-screen glare feature, which just means that the light from the lamp will not cause any unwanted glare or reflections from the monitor or screen that is attached to it. There are 4 buttons on top, with the first one towards the left being the brightness toggle, allowing you to adjust the appropriate brightness for your setup. They can go very bright but also softly dim. The second button is responsible for adjusting the temperature of the light. You could go for very cool white or very warm orange, and both have their uses, but I prefer the warmer setting. The third button is for setting up auto dimming. The fourth button is just the power button. By the way, don't be concerned if you turn the lamp off by accident, as it'll remember what settings it had before shutting off. So now, let's talk about what it is like using this lamp. First of all, it is very thin and does not take up a lot of space. Though this lamp is meant for use with a monitor, I attached it to my laptop as that's what I use most. It works very well and the USB cable is easily kept out of the way. The included clip is incredibly solid and will not move while attached to a monitor or laptop screen, as it stays secured around the back, for the most part that is. I'll explain later. I find the lighting options to be quite useful, as the light just illuminates the space around me enough to allow me to keep papers on the side while still being able to read them. I mostly prefer to keep the light as dim as possible, as it is so soft that it doesn't bother my eyes like most lamps can, which is very appreciated. In other words, this is a very comfortable and easy to use lamp that should last me a very long time. It's got great build quality, great lighting options, and it's very easy to store away when you're not using it. I do, however, have some comments to make for the sake of it improving in the future. The clip grip for the lamp is adjustable, but it would be very useful to add some kind of stop to it, so it will always stay fixed in the same position. This will be useful for people with an adjustable monitor, for example, for those that use this lamp on their laptops, like I do, as well. Lastly, I'd like to see a USB-C port connector for the lamp, as it is more reliable than micro USB. That's about it though. We have reached the conclusion of this video, and with it, I'm sure we can all agree that I do very much like this lamp. It is a very convenient option for students who have to work in a dorm room, for example, and share it with others. It makes for a discreet way of work and does its job very well. There are some minor things that could be fixed, but above it all, this is a great product. If you're a student who works under these circumstances, then I believe that it is worth the $100 asking price. For more content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and to stay updated when a new video comes out, make sure to click on that bell and enable notifications. For links to everything featured in this video, expect to find those in the description, as well as links for what to watch next. And this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you all later. Enjoy.